Yeah, hi, welcome back to Faye Vids. Today I've got this platter of seafood. I'm still here in the Cook Islands, so I've only got 2 more days and I thought I'll do this platter food for you guys today. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I've got. Look at that, all that yummy goodness, huh? This is here in the Cook Islands. So if you guys want to play like this, you guys got to come into the Cook Islands to eat it. Okay? Don't forget what I told you guys. Come here for a visit. Okay. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. So I'm about to eat this and enjoy myself. So I've been here nearly almost 2 weeks now, and it's been so lovely. So you know, you guys gotta think about it, book your flights and come over for a visit. What do you guys think? Anyway, look, got the good old tuna here and the sauce that they have for it. So lovely. Look at this. It's raw fish, and I've got like this one here. It's like partly cooked. Look at that tuna. So good. And I've got a coconut drink, and they call it new, like I said before. So many lovely food here, guys. Look at that. I don't know what the sauce is. Sort of like moistened sauce. It tastes right to me. This one here is yum, very tasty. And I've got rice to eat with. I'll take you back a bit, then you can see a bit more. Very lucky to eat all this. Very tasty. Yesterday I went on a cruise. It was so good. They took us over to the island, to this little island, and then we had something to eat, and they put on a show for us. And then this young man climbed the coconut tree, and he's the one that's won the tree climbing coconut all over the world. So if you want to meet him personally, you have to come over to the Cook Islands and then turn up for it. Just saying. And there's so many New Zealanders here that come here to. It was very entertaining. Everyone enjoyed themselves. And it was a full boat. And if you want to see that, you have to go and look through my channels, and then you'll see it. But this is so good. I haven't even touched the raw fish yet. Good? Like it's mixed in with some cucumber and carrots and red onion. It's really tasty too. Very nice. Excuse me. I'm just going to do some for my partner here. I can't eat it by myself. And he doesn't get any. But I don't really want to share. Okay. So I swap it with one of his ones. Prawns, curry prawn. Give me a taste, see what that's like. Sorry, just waving at the local. Oh yeah, nice, eh? So much good food here. Oh, this is really nice. This, really nice. I don't know how they made this. See? It's raw fish. This is delicious. Mà ngay ạ. Yum yum. You know what? You guys want some? I'm going to give you some. It's very tasty. I'm trying to figure out how they made it. So good. It's like it's got a bit of sake in it. I'm going to take them. They're gone now. Let's continue. You know when you're not used to using chopstick, yeah, that's what happens. You keep dropping your food. They must happen. Curry prawn. It's like it's cooked in coconut. Very good. It's so lovely. You guys are wanting some, eh? Huh? I'm sharing.
Great timing.
Very curry. This platter of food cost me $25. Pretty big, so to me it's worth it. It's always good to pay for good food, and this is good. So good. Taste this. Taste it. It's really yummy. And you know how it is? Swap with a prawn. Delicious. So good. Anyway guys, I just want to say having a good time here in Scotland. I'm so happy I came, because look at all the yummy food. You'll never go hungry. You have all this lovely food here, and don't forget this drink. So I'm going to let you guys go now so I can continue on and enjoy my food. But you guys take care. Remember what I said? Be good. Always thank God for the life that we have, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Ka kite from Cook Island. Fa soi